restaurant, work in a hair salon, be a vagabond, whatever turns you on. Work in a factory, build that truck for me, do it with clarity and show your abilities. So go find a job that you love, no matter what it is. Do it because it saves your life day to day. Doesn't matter what anyone will say, it gives you strength, it pulls you through, it makes the weekdays pass for you. You'll find this out when you find your way. Listen to me when I say, find a way to make you happy. Find a way to make you happy now. We'll be a desk jockey,